Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we'll demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have here, but even if you have a different year, but that generation F-150 video may be helpful. And now, always check the fuses for the AC clutch as well. You may have up to 2 fuses. We have the video on our channel, check it out on Free Car Repair. We're going to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood, right above the radiator. You will have that fuse box. You can see that's the cover. And once you open that fuse box, guys, okay, it's going to look just like this one. Perfect. You will be on this side, the windshield will be towards this side. Now, let's explain why it's important, guys, to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you come right here, guys, okay, you can see you have 3 different kinds of relays. Now those relays could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere or driving through small towns. They could be really pricey too, so I'll recommend put some of those as spares in your glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, a quick shipping. Check out the link. The relay for the AC clutch will be located, guys, in that second row right here. That first relay on the left side, okay, next to that fuse. That relay right here will need to be checked. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.